I'm a little nervous, to be honest, because it's different. It is different. We're going. There's a lot in these two boxes. This release, it's revisiting the roots of Westside Love and the creation of the brand. And at the most, it might signal a new direction for the brand. Not like a change of direction per se, but just maybe a growing of the brand and the brand's message. All right, at the most, but time will tell. Time will tell. But this one is significant. We got 3 new designs. This is special because this not only is for our people on the other side, but it's also for Tori.
Hi.
Tori's from the other side. Tori is from the other side. We got the first one. This is really overdue, and a new addition to our design assets, or our design canon, you could say. In some ways, I mean, this is on a lot of our products, but this is the first time it's a featured design. It's nice. Introducing the Glyph New Era 59FIFTY in black and white. That's good. It's a new edition. It's nice to have something that's just one color. All right, that's one. Design, new edition 1. All right, the King of Hearts, New Era 59FIFTY. All right, design 2. Ooh. Yes. So this is for our people on the other side, and it's different for me, but this goes back to the roots of the brand. But I will first introduce it. This is the Eastside Love 59FIFTY. New Era fitted.
Whoa.
The Eastside Love 59FIFTY. Right now this is a small release. We're gonna just do a limited amount, but we get asked all the time about Eastside. Where's Eastside? Where's Eastside? To be honest, the brand started with East and West. So the logo originally started in 2004 in a class. We were given the task as students. It was a logo design class, or identity systems. And to start every class, we were given a couple words, and we'd have to draw a logo or symbol to represent those words. And so one week, we were given the words West, East, and a third thing of your choice. So I drew a dub, and then I flipped it sideways for East, and the third thing was music or hip hop. There was no heart in the fingers. It was just kind of a very basic, kind of thick lined West and East. And it was only later that I saw that there was a heart between the fingers, and that was kind of the beginning of Westside Love. This kind of goes back to a tribute to both East and West, and coming full circle in a lot of ways. And oh yeah. And then we have the glyph sideways on the back, of course, for East. So it's basically like our OG in just the East Side form. Yeah, I mean, it's all love. We have customers all over the country, all over the world, and Tori behind the camera, my lovely wife and partner in crime, is from the Philly area, a little bit north, or Allentown. And we have a lot of loved ones out there on the east side of not just the United States, but all over the place. We actually have some customers out of Japan, so you can't go further east than that. But Yeah, man, we're all love. We're about celebrating people and places. This is just another addition to us celebrating people and places with an Eastside drop, and we are stoked to do it. Just blessed to be here and have the opportunity. And it's weird for me to see because I'm so used to seeing it upright, but already it's kind of taking its place. And I think it's a really cool nod and variation of our design. So pretty pumped. It should be dropping this Friday or Saturday. And hope you guys dig them. We'll show you all three together. One last shot. That's all we got. Thanks for joining. See you soon.